Hii imeingia. Open up, please. Open up.
Songeni behind the holding room. Okay, just move. Sure. We go straight to the holding room. Pass to the holding room. This way. Okay, clear the room.
Council, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. And His Excellency Engineer Dr. Raila Amolo. President, tupe tukakike kidogo. Akina mama ni pekijele. Unawacha mwili unasonga kidogo. Wapi makofi tafadhali? Baba, join us. Baba, help us to welcome the missus. Baba, hakikisha nipate lady. Okay. Tukatike kidogo tafadhali. Katika kidogo.
kidogo. Masegal amesema lazima atembee, asalimie watu wake, awakaribishe kwa sherehe yake. Twende kazi.
Cheza mzuri polepole.
Yeah. God is thinking good thoughts. We may not recognize this.
Tafadhali, for the gentlemen in the house, look at the lady sitting next to you and tell them you look lovely tonight. Fiche, mwambie umeichora ikachoreka. Ladies, look at the gentleman seated next to you.
Tafadhali, join me so we can recognize the dignitaries in the house. This house tonight is heavy. We have learned people, we have influential people, and also the Prime Minister is here. Karibu.
Thank you very much. My duty is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. And first allow
to celebrate a woman who I see as a mentor, as a spiritual leader, as a teacher, a mother, and simply Min Ping. On this day, I want to congratulate His Excellency Baba Raila Amolo Odinga as he celebrates the 50th anniversary of their wedding. Don't they look young? It is a great occasion to celebrate a woman that I admire and simply adore in many ways. When this date was coming close by, I called Honorable Catherine, Commissioner, and I told Commissioner, you know what? Mama is having a birthday soon. And we went to Mama. You see the way she's smiling. And we went to Mama and said, Mama, you're having your birthday. She looked at me and said, so she said, okay, there's not only the birthday, but also the 50th anniversary, which is coming almost 3 days later. So we sat down with His Honorable Anthony Oluoch, Council and Member of Parliament for Mathare, and we put our heads together. And ladies and gentlemen, this is love. And this evening, we are celebrating love. And we are celebrating a lovely couple, blessed with a good family. And I have no words, because I have to keep my speech short and clear. But I want to say, congratulations, Mama and Baba. Congratulations, Mama, on your birthday. Nyagim, my sister, my mother, my mentor, a woman I love, Mano Min Ping, Nyagim Nyagipita. Thank you very much. Achiel Kende Maonge Moro. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you. I greet everybody. All protocols have observed. And I want to tell you, first of all, that I'm knowing this minute that I'm supposed to give a speech. I had not known about it before. And many of you will believe that somebody from our family, which is political, you can be called upon any time to give a speech and it will be okay, you'll be all right. I want to disappoint you. That's not necessarily the case, but I have a few things I want to say about Mama Ida, because it is her birthday. I used to stay with her husband, who is my elder brother, before they got married. When I was staying with him before I went to university. He was teaching at the University of Nairobi. I didn't like him. He was so strict. So when I wanted to go out, maybe I have a date, he wants to know, who is this person you are going out with? What does he do? What time are you going to come back home? So I told him, I'm going to a movie. I'll be back at 11. No, the movie is ending at 11. I don't like it, but so you'll be back at 11. But the movie is ending at 11. So, and you know, he would go out with his friends, but that particular day, he would make sure that at 11 he's home, to make sure that and he's checking the watch, to make sure that I'm back home. And then once he sees that I'm back home, then he leaves. He will not. So he would not let me see who he was dating, but I had a feeling that there were people of my age. So one day I asked him, do you think that the ladies you are dating don't have brothers? Why are you so strict with me? And know if you made a single mistake, he will report you to my father. So anyway, I went out. He's the one who arranged for me to go and study abroad. So when I was there, that's when they had their wedding. So I was not there at the wedding. But when I came back on holiday, they came to meet me at the airport. So that's the time I met Mama Ida for the first time. So when I looked at her, I saw, this one is my age. She looked my age. So then later we confirmed. And so later, when I was working in Nakuru, one time we thought we wanted to give my father some advice because, he was back in politics and people were telling him bad things, humiliating him, and we didn't like him. We didn't like it because we loved him. So I told her, I'll come to Nairobi, we go and give him advice that now he has already created his own niche in history. He is loved, so let him leave politics alone. So he said, no, I'm so happy because you people, but first we told him we are age mates. Then he said, oh, because you are age mates, and I can see, I'm so happy that you people, the two of you are age mates, and now you can even advise me. A lot of people cheat me, but you people are telling me the truth, and you are age mates, so you have similar characteristics. You are even stingy. The two of you are equally stingy. In Kijaluo, Ungodi. So anyway, so we thought, so he was so happy with our advice, and we went out to look for martini to drink, to celebrate. And I went back to Nakuru. Then he went home for Christmas. So after that, we saw in the newspaper, Odinga says, I will not be quiet. Some people are telling me to keep quiet, that I'm now old, but I've refused. Now it was me and Ida. He's answering us in the media. So we realized that a politician is always a politician, and I'm seeing that even in his son. So anyway, I was supposed to talk for 1 minute. And I didn't know, I was ambushed, I didn't know I was supposed to talk. As far as I'm concerned, I stopped thinking about birthdays by the time I reached 50. So I got shocked, another shocker today, when Ada is celebrating, I don't know, her 73rd birthday. So it means that, am I also near there? I wish her a happy birthday. Yeah, and it is a shocker, but we have something in common in that we believe in education as the only way. And education, what I like, and maybe my father said it, to open doors. You don't even if you don't get a job, but education is always something that will improve your life, both boys and girls. So that is something that Ada and I have together, and I mean in common. Tunapigana tukiendelea mbele as usual. Age mates do that all the time. Relatives, siblings, all the time. I wish her a very, very happy birthday, and thank you all for giving me this chance.
Ida Betty Odinga, and His Excellency, the Honorable Prime Minister, Raila Amolo Odinga. I am most honored and privileged to invite you on behalf of Mama, whom I fondly know as Mrs. Odinga because she was my teacher. I'd like to invite you on her behalf to dinner. And she has asked me to say grace that we used to say way back then at the Kenya High School. So if we can be all upstanding for the grace. Let's say grace. For what we're about to receive, may the Lord make us truly thankful. Amen. It's short and sweet.
We are the grandchildren. There are actually 5 of us, but there are 2 of us in absentia, and one of them is sharing a birthday with my grandmother. So if you could clap and wish him happy birthday in absentia. Yeah. So we're going to sing happy birthday, but I personally cannot sing, so I'm going to pass it to my sister, so you guys don't have to deal with my singing. So we'll go. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nyanya. Happy birthday to you.
Safi, you not told us their names.
Oh, sorry. So this is my sister. Her name is Senai.
Hi. Hi everyone.
And then this is my cousin. This is my cousin Lion. And then
I'm Hilary Aol, and let me say mom's last one kinda, but it's debatable. Yeah, so I've been in this family since I was 4. So right now I'm 22, so that's like 18 years. And now my mom is like my mom, you know. So thank you.
hi, my name is Akumu, and I'm Sunaya's sister. And I'm very happy to be here. So that's happy birthday from all of us. Okay, so I would just like to wish my grandmother a very, very happy birthday, because I know that she deserves it because she's always working so hard. So it's nice to see everybody coming here to support her and pampering her. Yes. And I'd also like to wish her a happy anniversary. It's coming later, it's coming in September. But I'd like to wish her and my granddad coming on 50 years, their golden anniversary. Woo! Yes. 50 years my grandparents have been together. That's a very long time. That's even before all of us and our parents were born. So yeah, I just want to wish my grandmother a very, very happy birthday. I love you very, very much. Happy birthday, Nyanya.
My grandma, and I'm so happy to be here on her birthday, and I hope she has the best birthday ever. And I hope she has fun on her birthday.
Well, as they take pictures, may we appreciate them once more. It takes a lot to be on stage. Makofi mazuri. These are the grandchildren. Wacha tuone kama grandchildren wanajua kudance kama baba. Ndio. Haya. He dance in the family. I think Odinga is in order. We all stand up and dance Baba dance. That is what Baba dance. That style is called Baba dance. Unawacha mkono unasonga kidogo. Mkono unasonga kidogo. Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka anajua hiyo sana. Unaitwa Baba dance. We don't want no mega I hope we all watching Baba and saying you see. Wachilia mikono hapa namna hiyo no matter where I will. Wachilia mikono namna hiyo.
Usually we were not organized, but we've organized ourselves, so don't worry. I am speaking on behalf of my siblings here. Usually in political rallies, the senior most politician speaks last. However, in a family hierarchy, the youngest is the one who's given the microphone. So here I am today. First of all, to the Honorable Doctor, astronaut, engineer, superhero, and her husband. No, I'm joking. Ladies and gentlemen, and most importantly to my parents, thank you very much for coming here today. We were just thinking amongst the four of us, how a year ago this place would have been packed and even more packed and more packed and more packed. But we prefer this because these are the real ones. And so thank you very much for being here with us today. To my parents, 50 years. Just so the audience knows that this is just the pre-show. We are negotiating with them to do a full remarriage in December. So if you can encourage them, we will have that party. Mom, you have always been there for us. And I speak on behalf of not just the children you have on this stage, the ones you gave birth to, but all your children. You have changed a country. You have changed a generation. Without you, Mom, the fistula rates would still be very high. Without you, the teenage pregnancy rates would be even higher. Without you, men would be talking to these young women anyhow. Without you, Mom, the number of children who are born stunted would be higher. And so we want to tell you that we appreciate you. Because without you, Mom, many of us, especially the girls, but all the fellows too, would be walking with our feet, looking at our feet. But because of you, we walk in this town with our heads held high because we are looking up to you. We want to tell you that we thank you and we love you for standing with us, for always supporting us. And so the four of us here said it's our turn to support you. And we know how precious the Odinga Library is to you. And so we have donated this check of 1 million Kenya shillings to the Odinga Library. So let me give it to my sister. So give that a bigger clap. This is a big thing. So Mom, we love you. We'll always be there for you. Thank you for being here with us. And thank you for being here for our dad. We couldn't do this without you. So thank you so much and happy anniversary. Just so you know, 50th anniversary is next week on the 1st of September. But all of us revolve around our mother. My sister's birthday was a week ago. Today is my mother's birthday. But today also happens to be the birthday of the youngest son of this lovely couple, who's just turned 2 years old. His name is Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. And then after my parents' anniversary, it's also their anniversary. So everything revolves around our mother. She's the son. And thank you very much.
All right, Mom, you can receive the check.
Come on, everybody, this is where you clap. Na hapa ndio kina mama munanipa vigelegele.
Haya, DJ, fanya mambo yako.
Anyuliana, na. Mano we na bolu Uganda chunpi. Mano chunluo. Chica. Ni awano nyanga uwejo suba nyakwaro lako. Pena jagna toma jawaya. We awe na bolu kinga. Ukunanwa ngomi kwemoga. Raila ukunanwa ngomi kwemoga.
All right, photo moment for the family. Photo moment for the family.
on in. Come on, guys. Come on. We love each other.
DJ Kidogo, we see the family dance together.
There's a saying that a family that dances together stays together.
Ah, Baggy. All right, DJ, play. Yo-yo. All right. Thank you, DJ.